As that we're manufacturing things on the
Who
floor.
gives a shit? You know what? Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to the comma.ai Periscope. We are here. I'm George, and I'm here with Eddie.
Hey guys, hey Periscope.
We are manufacturing pandas. I don't think anyone heard that. No one was in our Periscope yet. So these are panda cases. We have many, many, many panda cases.
This is a small amount of the number we have.
Oh, we have many more than just what's here. So I'm picking out the ones that are good. Many, many panda cases. You see this is a good one. It doesn't have any of that raft crap on it. You see this is a bad one. It has crap on it. This one has no crap. So it's all 3D printed, yeah. We were originally going to sand the cases. We have a lot of sanding equipment set up, but sanding sucks. So, I mean, you know, they look pretty good. We're figuring out what we can do if we can do a little bit better than the finish. You want to do videos for comma.ai? Please do videos for comma.ai. Where's that scale at?
Get the scale.
Yeah, let's get the scale. So we're going to figure out how many of these we have by weighing. Bro, pandas are endangered. No more. You don't need to manufacture. You know China owns all the pandas in the world? True story. So do you want to show the people a raft? Show them a printed one and show them like what they look like when you break them off.
There's some here.
Got some here. Oh, there we go. Those commas are pandas.
Those are pandas.
Oh, these are pandas. Look, this is what a bunch of pandas looks like when we manufacture them. I'm sure they have plenty of pandas in Shenzhen. So this is the comma side of the case. We have a comma side of the case and a panda side of the case. We're about to go get the scale to figure out how many of these we have. So we've manufactured. We're not going to announce the exact order number, but I will say that it's over 1,000. And I will say also that it's not over 9,000. So we sold somewhere between 1,000 and 9,000 pandas. So yeah, it's about time for these guys to start shipping. The first finished pandas are right here. This little batch of 6 right here. It's pandemonium. You see, this is a sanded panda. So some people are going to get sanded pandas, but
Yeah.
oh, excellent. So this is our scale. How accurate is it?
It's digital, so.
Yeah. You know they watch you after you buy a scale.
Really?
Yeah,
It's a food scale.
It's a food scale. All right, cool. So that's 148 grams.
It has a tear.
Yeah, so we'll tear it to the box. And now let's weigh 1 panda, 2 panda, 3 panda, 4 panda, 5 panda, 6 panda, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 pandas weighs 34 grams. Let's do 12. 11, 12, 13, 14,
That's weird.
15, 16,
Zortrax software
17, 18, 19, 20. Zortrax is liars. Okay, so 20 pandas is 70 grams. Let's just do 25 so I can do math easier. 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Okay, so 25 is 86. Oh, 86? That's not a nice number.
We have computers, man.
What?
We have computers to do math.
We have computers to do math. I think actually I want to fix my phone to not. Okay. So 86 is. What's the best way to contact me? Right here on Periscope. If you have something secret to tell me, we don't like secrets. So I don't want to know. Okay, so 86 is 25. We should write that down somewhere. 25, 86. Oh, Prius is coming along well. We got our top guy on the Prius. So 86 is 25.
100 is 344.
100 is 344.
Yeah.
That's a better way to think about it. Okay, so that's 249 right there. Wow, these things, I thought there were a lot more in these boxes than... All right, so we're going to sort them between good and bad. Good, bad. Bad, bad, bad. You know, like, the truth about being CEO of the company is when things are, you know when people say, like, not my problem? Well, it's my problem. Or it's always my problem, you know? It's never not my problem, it's always my problem. Like counting the pandas. 344. Okay. We should batch these up in batches of 100.
Yeah, we have enough boxes.
Yeah.
Do that now.
Is it possible to pay a visit to our office? Unfortunately, not.
This is not a museum.
This is not. We do not. We're not Google. We don't have vitamin water in the lobby. We have water in the sink.
Does Google have open doors?
Oh, Google. Yeah, you can walk into Google. You can show up there. This one's only a little. Come back to Pittsburgh. I want to go back to Pittsburgh. It's far, man. My ex-girlfriend's in Pittsburgh, I think. I don't know if I want to go there. Wow, 47 people. Hello, people. You know, how many times do I say when I Periscope that I need a tripod?
That was a lot.
All right, so what did you say 100 was?
344 grams.
344 grams. Okay, we're almost there. Yeet. Oh, that means the new curse word for the alt-right. Some guy wrote yeet on that thing. I don't know what that means. All right, that's 342 grams worth of comma side of Panda cases. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, so there's probably another 200 in there.
Yeah. So let's get up to, what did you say it was?
Put the rest of that.
342?
344?
344. So so I got to get to 688. Yeah. Hit the 688. Let's see how many fit in the box, right?
And then do the volume. How much volume do you get? 100
How can you get involved with comma.ai media? If you make good stuff, we'll tweet it. I love Twitter. What?
So let's measure the volume of pandas. When we're done by filling it with
By
water.
filling it with water, Archimedes would be proud.
Yeah.
You should shut that door so my periscoping doesn't bother the employees who are actually working.
Is many can find the density of pandas?
And then we can see if they're scamming us, and this isn't actually made of ABS, but it actually is ABS, and you know maybe it's 15% ethanol. You know,
Yeah.
corn subsidies.
Yeah.
Can you make plastic out of ethanol?
PLA is mostly corn.
Is this corn? Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like, yeah, it sounds like the kind of thing they would like want to sell you in America.
PLA shit.
That's why PLA melts.
Yeah.
When are the first 100 shipping? Probably tomorrow. I don't know. We gotta finish the firmware, which is what I really should be working on, not counting Panda cases. But counting Panda cases is a whole lot of fun.
Yeah.
And it's much more periscopable than firmware.
Some people would watch Firmware live stream.
What up, guys? No.
You used to live stream that.
Isn't Vision D a secret? It's not a huge secret. You can download it. You just don't have the source code to it. It's not a secret. Everyone knows about Vision D. Otherwise, how else would the car see? You know, true story, and this doesn't leave Periscope. We were originally going to call it Mobile ID, but then we decided not to. We called it Vision D. You know, wait, we're working on something now called Location D, or in other words, Applin XD. Yeah, we got a guy. We're just bringing him on full time now to work on localization of the car. I missed that message. If someone wants to say what it is again. Yeah. Okay. So what we're doing is, for those who just joined, these are cases that are going to go on Pandas. We're going to get 688 grams of them. And once we have 688 grams of Panda, we can, so I'm just sorting here. Where are the boards? Well, the boards got delivered this morning to one of the places that's doing final Panda assembly cases. We have 1,000 boards, and we have another 1,000 in holding right now. After these ones get shipped out, we're gonna authorize the next 1,000 to be made. Yeah, and they look kind of like Lego, right? Like they're kind of cool. We actually thought about building a Lego finishing machine for Pandas. So what we bought and what's getting here today is is a ultrasonic wash. And maybe we'll just put all these cases in the wash and make sure that you all get clean pandas, you know? So Panda cases are 3D printed and then they're glued together because there's no user serviceable parts inside.
Do you want to find the nice Panda logic board? It's all flat.
Panda logic board. This is what the new logic boards look like, guys.
Someone hasn't seen that before.
Yeah.
Pretty beautiful.
They are pretty beautiful.
I like the black finish
Panda's
they
pretty
did.
close to a work of art, yeah. We were originally going to do white and black boards. Why don't we go with the white boards?
So whiteboards apparently get really gross when they go through an oven.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, it's kind of a shame, but at least we learned that before we...
Hey, you know what? Then if you get something with a white board, you know it was hand soldered.
Yeah. You need like a really expensive white. It's usually used for LEDs.
Well, we can't afford that. That is definitely not happening. Oh no, the scale turned off. Will it save my tear?
No, probably not.
Oh, this is a tragedy. Oh, okay. You know what?
Take another empty one.
Yeah.
Stickers on it.
Stickers on it. Are you sure they weigh the same? I don't know. What's the manufacturing variance of these things?
Those emo Sterilite. I love Sterilite.
What's Sterilite? Is that what that stuff's made of?
No, that's the company.
Oh. Remember Garolite from back in the day? Sterilite. Okay. So I think maybe we'll put $2.50 in each bin.
Okay.
So what should that weigh?
This is 3.44, so 860.
860 grams of Panda. Okay.
Sometimes they just don't come off.
You went to SF? Whoa. We don't do marketing and we don't do branding. We don't do advertising because I don't know. I mean, like, we're either gonna build a good product and win, or we're not. We're not gonna try to like scam people with advertising. Like, awareness is one thing, but I really think if you have things that are like 10x better, as comma starts to succeed, and a lot of people start saying, you know, dude, I have a self-driving car, right? Like, it's something people are going to talk about. You don't need marketing when you have virality. And if you don't have virality, what it means is that your product just isn't good enough. And we'll build a better product. And, you know, that's really what we're motivated by here, building the best products we possibly can. And what do I think about Sendex? Mobile ID, yeah. I don't know what Sendex is. So if you tell me, what's the number again? I forget.
860 for
860.
If you want 250.
Yeah. What is Sendex? If you tell me, I'll tell you.
Maurice Sendex, right?
What?
Maurice Sendex, like the writer?
The Reading Rainbow? Oh, no, Where the Wild Things Are. Yeah.
Right? That guy?
I don't know. Is that right? Sendex? Yeah, maybe that's what they're talking about. I don't know. How many cars did I trade the first hardware unlock for? Just one car, but also 3 phones, right? So when you trade one phone for a car and 3 phones, you definitely win. How many Rev Bs do we have left? None. They're all gone. Do you have any Rev Bs left?
I think there's some in a bag somewhere. They're pretty crappy.
There's some in the bag somewhere. Well, that's
Rev B is alpha hardware.
Rev B is alpha hardware, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's not, the Rev Bs aren't bad. They're just not particularly that good.
They're not tested.
They're not tested. The Rev Bs were mostly like, you know, we wanted to see how people would react to Panda. We wanted to see if it worked. And we wanted to test our own manufacturing. Rev C is really where Panda's at. And of course, everybody who paid for a Panda will be getting a Rev C. And contest winners will also be getting Rev Cs. Because I just don't want to deal with Rev Bs anymore. So, yeah, we're going to try to have the cases finished up. Could Sylvester come in this weekend?
Yeah.
If we get the cases finished up?
Yeah, you can.
Well, it's a whole lot easier if we're not doing the sanding.
Yeah, how do people on Periscope feel?
Oh, they're fine with it.
They're fine?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's the biggest issue we've overcome while creating the manufacturing pipeline? I don't know. Just you're making a lot of something. I've never made this many of something before. Like I shipped hardware before, but this is a lot. And this is, I mean, Panda's not a super complicated product. It's not like a phone or anything, but it's not that simple. I'm at 862.
Okay, you're at 251 maybe.
8. So should I be at 859?
860.
No! All right, we'll put in one more for good luck.
One more.
All right. So now we know like an approximately full Sterilite is about 250 of them.
All right, let's top it off.
All right.
These are all commas.
These are all common.
And they all pass the Hotz goodness.
They all pass the Hotz goodness test. Yeah. Yeah. So 250. So we're gonna try to get 1,000 of these cases. Do you have more commas for me to break off?
Yeah.
I need a little tripod for my Periscope. All right, we're going to try to get another 662 gram of Panda. This is the comma side of the comma Panda. Most of what's left looks broken. Broken. That one's good. Broken. You see the broken? You see it's got like that crap on it? I'm not shipping one of those.
I think these are all commas.
And then our ultrasonic washer gets here tonight. Should we show them the nice folks on Periscope the ultrasonic washer? Can we get it?
Yeah.
They're not like,
It's not here yet.
they're not like ultrasonic washing. These are all comma.
Yeah.
Get a chest strap or mount the phone on the helmet. So this is what it looks like. See, that's comma. And this is what they look like when they're fresh off the Panda production. I'm going to try to get a clean snap off of this. Whoops. Doing everything one-handed for you guys, man. Ah. Prius is going well. We have our best folks on Prius. What if a comma gets contaminated by Panda? Look at all those commas. Will the Civic get increased torque on steering? The Civic already has increased torque on steering. Oh, you mean more increase than the 6%? We're 12 people. No, we don't plan to ship any firmware updates, at least for a long time, to increase torque beyond what it already is. Silky Smooth is, yeah, we're working on Silky Smooth. So if you see Rick Blass in the chat, he's our controls engineer. It might be my SoundCloud. I do have a SoundCloud. He's the guy who is working on our Silky Smooth controls. We also have an intern coming, starting soon, and he's going to be working on controls as well. So controls is about to get really good. Yeah, Rick does a great job. He does. How many Panda do you have?
Panda sides.
Yeah. I guess we can put them on a scale later.
Yeah, I'm still scraping.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like.
How much for a feature? Hey, if you know what? I'm at this stage of my rap career where if you can get me hits and views, I'll throw a verse together. I got 16s all day, man. The A8? No. No one is an A8. We're ghost riding for the masses.
A8?
Yeah, Audi A8. That one's broken.
R8?
R8, man. If someone buys me an R8, I will make openpilot work with it. Buy me a personal R8, not for comma.ai. You buy me an R8, I'll make openpilot work on it.
There's an A8 also?
Yeah, there's an A8. Yeah, there's an A8.
I like the A7.
Is the A7 the coupe?
Yeah, it's got like the hatch door.
Where you send music. If you send it to George at comma.ai and you really got something going, I'll put it on the verse. Yeah, no, it's not the largeness. I don't know. Actually, I used to have a Mercedes S-Class. It was pretty nice. Yeah, Rev C is going to be 2 boards like Rev B, but what's gonna upset the kind folks about the Rev Cs and the boards?
Socketed.
They're not socketed. No, they're actually soldered together. So there's that.
Did anyone give you age?
Oh, mention no. They're talking about A8s because the level 3 autonomy. All right, see, like. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about that level 3 autonomy. Can you see Rev C? Yeah.
That black one?
What is the Panda? Check out our medium if you want to know. These are Rev Cs. So let's see. Do I have it assembled? Yeah, this is a Rev C that I was working on debugging with. This is a Rev C. This is what they look like. Here's a bunch of finished Rev Cs. Notice the case looks a little bit different from the Rev B. All right. Which printer? We used Zortrax M200s. Should we show them the printer?
Yeah.
I'll show you the
Don't
printer.
show them the far right.
Huh?
There's some prototypes printing on the
Oh,
far
the
right.
prototypes. Oh, I can't show them the prototypes. That's true. They're sealed in the printer. I won't open any of the printers. Just going in here. And you guys know about our data center, right? It's our data center. Many pandas. Here's our printers. Firmware, Schlapp, Dom, and Abby. They're all printing. Some of them are printing secret stuff. Yeah, so this is what your Panda is going to look like in this slightly unsanded case. They look pretty good. This is a really good alternative to injection molding. Yeah, I saw the Atlantic story today. 8 million miles per day, maybe in simulation, not in reality. I don't know. I mean, simulator might work. Yeah, the data in the Shifter app is of course being used to improve trainer models. I don't know about simulation working at the end of the day. I mean, it's not like simulation's a bad thing, and it's certainly a good place to test. But actually using simulation to develop your algorithms, I mean, what you're doing there is you're hard coding your simulator. What is the giraffe? They thought the giraffe was a joke.
That's real.
Do we have like a nice giraffe? We have a nice giraffe. I'll show them.
An old one.
How old?
Doesn't have any of this new switches.
Okay, we'll show them the giraffe. Let's see the giraffe. So this is the idea of the giraffe. You see that this plugs into the Mobileye and the Honda. This is where you plug in the wire, and this is where you plug in your Panda. So it lets your Panda connect to the special place in the Honda that you can control the car from. So this is a giraffe. I think we're just going to open source them. LA Timer is already selling stuff that's a lot like this.
Openboards.io.
Openboards.io, check it out. So, you know, yeah, we're just going to probably open source this. Anyone who wants can make and sell them. Updates for openpilot. How has it been on the Giant Panda? Should we? Okay, Giant Panda was like a hack. You know, we were not planning to support Giant Pandas long term. There's a lot that we haven't announced, but I wouldn't invest too much into Giant Pandas. That's all I'll say about Giant Pandas.
Giant Pandas are, you know,
I mean,
less than alpha, very low, not.
Giant Pandas were just really for us to test pandas and for Rev B Panda holders. They're not really going to work with Rev C Pandas. We have better stuff planned than Giant Pandas. We can't let them know the big secrets, though. So, you know. Right. What next animal is coming up? Well, there were comma koalas briefly. Yeah. Then Intel discontinued the Jewel.
Oh yeah.
Remember that joke?
The Jewel and the other thing. What's it called? Oh yeah, Edison.
The Jewel, yeah.
Or no, is it just the Jewel that got canceled?
No, I think they actually canceled Intel's a disaster.
The Jewel was cool, but
yeah, I mean, but
the file, like the support files they released with
you find a lot of bugs in what? You know openpilot? What bugs? Well, do you mean bugs, or do you mean like places where you have to disengage? If we're gonna ask cities to make infrastructure changes, I don't think that's really worth it. Like, the truth about self-driving is the whole hard part is interoperating with humans. Like, if you'd have to make a change that's so radical, you'd have to like kick all the humans off the road, and I don't really see that happening anytime soon. Maybe in like very restricted areas in some cities. We don't have a comma store. Should we call our store the comma zoo? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, zoo works.
Yeah, we can do that. There is a whole zoo.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to figure out now is, like, when I'm breaking these things off, are some of them predestined to be bad, or is it about my technique?
I think some are just predestined.
And I think that's what it might be.
But some is ripping tanky.
What bugs have you found in openpilot? File issues on GitHub. If they're real bugs, we'll absolutely fix them. Oh, I saw the one about the rearview mirror. Yeah, we'll merge that in the next release. Sorry about that.
What was that?
It was it was a stupid bug. No, the disabling of the rearview mirror mode didn't work.
In the settings.
In the settings, yeah.
People like the rearview mirror mode.
People like disabling the rearview mirror mode. If you have a 1+3, it's really not useful. With 3T, it's a bit more useful. You've been around for a while. That's definitely true. You found bugs still in openpilot. Yeah, let me know what they are. What kind of stuff? Is there going to be a Neo S4? I don't know. Maybe, probably. Yeah, I mean, we have some things planned that I think are going to need an update to Neo S. I'm not 100% sure on it. I'll have to ask Neil. But yeah, I mean, we have all the update infrastructure in place now. So if we do decide that we need to modify the underlying operating system, if you see there's now a submodule in openpilot called PyExtra. PyExtra lets us change the Python packages without having to change the operating system. That's not what I want to do. All right, guys, this is getting difficult with the holding this and doing things. You've taken a ride in Uber self-driving in Pittsburgh. How was it? Was it any good? Yeah, it's a work in progress. That's what I hear. I've been in an Uber self-driving car as well. Nothing too impressive. So yeah, I'm gonna let you all go for now. We'll be back on later if we get another cool step in the manufacturing. We want to be real open with our Panda manufacturing processes, and know to everybody who ordered it, you will be getting them pretty soon. Yeah. We'll definitely meet our 4 to 12 week deadline. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Swipe down to stop.